Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a BMW E61 here. It's a 530xi, and we are going to show you guys how to remove a rear fender liner under the fender. That here, you can see that thing right here, because we're going to be fixing a dent that we have on it, and we can reach it from the inside, but we need to remove the fender liner, guys. So if you have a cracked one, broken one, we'll show you guys how to remove it now and how to replace that thing. Not very complicated. You need to jack the car up, use a jack stand always, take the tire off. That's pretty simple, just 5 bolts. And now with a 10mm we need to remove a couple nuts. Okay, one there, and those are plastic, so be careful when you install them not to crack them. Okay, one right there. So altogether 3 of them now. Okay, like that. And next we need to use 8mm socket to remove a couple of screws towards the back. Now you can see. Okay, more coming now. One there. And let's see what else we got. We have one more right there. You can see a little bit hidden. Okay, like that. Then we have one more in that hole right there. It's a little bit dark, trying to show you the best we can, guys. And now we will need to start removing that thing. Next, towards the front, there is 2 more underneath there with that 8mm socket again. So go ahead and remove those. Okay, it's getting loose now. And that thing is pretty tight unless we're forgetting something, so stay with us to see. Okay, now it started coming out. Okay, and that's it, guys, right there. That's the whole fender liner, you can see. So those sometimes they tend to crack, they tend to break, and you want to replace them. It protects the body pretty good, so you want to install a new one. Not very expensive, new. So that's how you guys remove it. That's what it looks like without it. You can see there is absolutely no rust for being a 2007 model, being exposed to some snow and ice, and it looks pretty good underneath actually. So that's amazing. That's how you access the I think it's the ABS sensor maybe here. And we'll see if we can fix that one in a little bit, but that will be for today's video, guys. So thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.